Have you ever wondered kung paano yung mga K-drama star achieve their soft glow skin? So, this video is for you. Kasi tuturuan ko sa iyo kung paano ma-achieve yan for our humid weather. Medyo kakaiba yung trick ko na to guys pero you have to trust the process. So for me, I like to brush all over my face with illuminator. So I'm using the Velvet Drop from Tevian, of course. My favorite in Holly Glow to achieve that Hollywood glow. Using Tevian liquid and cream brush, pick up the product using the longer point and then brush all over my face with the Holly Glow. Kahit oily skin guys, because this Velvet Drop, meron siya oil control power at the same time. You have to trust the process and you will gonna love the result later on. Just give a very beautiful sheen cover on your skin. And then I'm gonna use the Tevian, the Ultimate Skin Master Concealer. My shades in the shades of Crema. And then I'm gonna put on the certain part, especially I want to cover out yung mga hyperpigmentation or mga red part. Using the Tevian concealer brush. So by doing this, it will blend in the concealer but still give the glow from the Holly Glow that we applied earlier. And lastly, I'm gonna put a little bit of color. I'm gonna use Velvet Drop pa rin, pero in my favorite color in Amaretto. You have to try Amaretto because this Amaretto blush color, super subtle and super soft. Look at that. You can never go wrong with that. Kahit paulit-ulit nyo i-retouch, hindi siya masyadong putok. And at the same time, very diffuse yung dating yan sa skin natin. Healthy glow lang siya. And put it a little bit on the bridge of the nose. Look at that. Para mas medyo sunog-sunugan or tisay-tisayan lang. Charot. So I'm done now. Look at how it bounces the light softly. What we want to achieve, a soft glow. So this is how it looks after a few hours. Achieve na achieve yung K-drama skin. Look at how it bounces light naturally. So ayan guys, try nyo na. Trust the process and lahat yung produkto na sa yellow basket na.